Yeah, you can just make a scissors
right through there. Okay, now, if you look on the back side, this is all kind of fat. And see how you can see the eye? While we're doing science, I might as well make it a little gory, huh? Yeah. Okay.
This really gets my appetite going. I got closer eyes. This really gets my appetite going. What's
Yeah, I'll get it.
I got it.
Andrea is getting a good video right here.
Shoot. It's like it's not sharp enough. You just have to cut through that membrane, right? Okay.
Well, if it squirts all over your skin,
I'll clean it.
I'll lick it. Just ew. Maddie, your iPod's destroyed. I'm recording. She doesn't even have a button.
Oh yeah.
She doesn't even have a. She's recording it. She doesn't even have a button on it.
Oh, it's going.
Dude, how am I?
Is it okay?
God, this is great. If it pops, that's gonna be funny.
Oh, just
It's leaking.
and it goes all over. Is that
It's
tears?
oozing.
No.
It's what keeps the eye dry.
Well, your eyes have moisture. Think about it, kids.
It's crying.
Your eyes have moisture, just like this does.
Let me see.
I'm trying to do
That's grody to the max.
time.
Let's go on YouTube.
Did you too? Yes.
I don't know.
You're leaving now?
That is awesome.
You actually take care of it.
I really thought this one was sharper. It's kind of wanting to slide away from me.
What about my iPod?
So should I cut across here?
I want to shut off. Oh, I got it. Oh, no. It's like flat.
Yeah.
It's flat now.
Okay, we're going to go across the pretty brown part.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. It is.
It's hard to cut.
It's very hard.
Yeah,
Flat.
it took us 3 minutes.
It's already been 240 on this one, 220 on this one.
This is 247.
Oh.
That's the glass part of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's the retina.
There's the retina.
No, this is the lens.
Or the lens, yeah.
Oh, look at the knife.
What if it blinks?
I don't think it can blink anymore. It's blue.
So what's the blue stuff?
That's the retina. That's where it bounces off.
Ah, okay, now listen, guys. Here's what.
Oh, that is blue.
Yes, this is kind of blue. Now tell us what this is again,
This
Ashton.
is called the retina, and it takes the image and it bounces off and it turns it right back, right side up.
There.
That black thing looks
So this is where the light is reflected back to the retina, and it has to flip it. It comes back. Remember how we talked about it's upside down? So it has to turn back around. So that is pretty sweet.
That's radical.
I want to be a science teacher just so I can do this.
Oh, man.
There we can really see.
Dang it.
Can you usually pull it out? Let me cut a little bit.
You can usually flip it inside.
Oh, there it's
Really? Okay, go.
Oh, come on.
It's
It's like a teal color.
Yeah.
I saw on YouTube. Do you need a better cut?
No.
This one just won't do it.
Looks like ink.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
smells.
But that's the retina. And here's, see all the, it's like a gel inside that came out.
That is kind of cool.
But there, for those of you who want to see it, there's the retina.
Oh, it's blue. Cool. Oh, like, guys,
Oh, I gotta go this up.
Oh, I need to take that.
All right.
So let me stop recording this.
Okay. That is a, and look at what's left, guys. That's
It's all
Can you, like,
floppy.
pull it all out?
yeah, a lot of muscles, fat, things like that. All are behind that eye. Made my eye hurt.